Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to be opening up another Allure beauty box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Allure beauty box, and of course, like we always do, make sure you look under the video so you can find out more information about Allure. But the way that it works is this is a $15 a month subscription. Now you can get full size, deluxe size, sample size products. For me, this is like my favorite subscription. I've had it for I think over a year at this point, and I've never canceled this one. So this one, I definitely love it. Like Ipsy, I've never tried BoxyCharm, but Ipsy, sometimes I'll skip it. I haven't tried BoxyCharm because from what I understand, you can't skip it, and I don't need that many beauty products myself, so I kind of like the freedom of doing that. But for Allure, I've never canceled that one out. So first off, if you like beauty hauls, beauty reviews, unboxings, things like that, definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video for sure. All right, so let me take a look and share what came in this month's package. So every month it comes in this box here, so you guys get to take a look. And there's always a booklet. So in the booklet, it gives you like a description and the full size products and like a coupon code if you guys ever wanted to purchase the full size product or just get, you know, more of the item, you can use the coupon that they give you. So inside there's always tissue paper, and you guys are gonna see first up what came in my box. So you guys see that yourself. So you guys have an idea of what is actually in my package. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out here, this is from Allure. It says resurfacing glycolic and unicorn root cleanser. So this looks like it's a cleanser. So let me take a look and see what information it says about the cleanser here. As soon as I find it, guys, I will share so you guys can have a look and see when I find it. Okay. I found it. Sorry for the delay. Okay, so the full-size product of this cleanser is $12.99, and you can get it from Allure.com. And let me see if I can open this one up here, because there's not a lot of information in the booklet. It kind of gives you like a description of what the editors thought of the product, but you kind of gotta go through a whole paragraph to figure it out. So let me see if there's any here that we can just at least smell. So it doesn't really have a scent to it, and it's kind of clear, so I know that's, you can't really see that, but it's not really scented. So let me see the ingredients here. It just says apply small amount to wet face, massage in circles until it foams. So I like this. This is a foaming cleanser, so I like foaming cleansers. Let me see if it says in the front, it says amethyst, glycolic, lactic, true unicorn root, whatever that is. If you guys know what unicorn root is, definitely let me know. I'm definitely gonna Google it because I've never heard of that. Resurface, refine, and hydrate all skin types. So cool, this is for every skin type. So that's what that looks like. Different, unique packaging, but I dig it, I don't care. That's fine. And then the next one we have here is from Curology. Now I've tried Curology products before. I believe I've gotten cleansers from Allure before. This one is actually way more than a moisturizer. So it's called Smooth Sealing. So I'm assuming this is what it says. It's a moisturizer. So it comes in this packaging. And then I'll find out what the retail value of that one is. I've heard a lot of good things about Curology, but I've only used like these mini trial deluxe size samples. So there you go. So this is the moisturizer. And then for this one, the full size product is actually $19.95, and that's what that one looks like if you got it in full size. So let me take a look to see what this one actually, and it also has a safety seal for you guys who love seeing those safety seals. It's there. So let me take a look and see if we can grab that off. Okay, so let's see how this one swatches. Okay, again, this one doesn't have a scent, but that is what that looks like. Not really scented at all. So I guess if you like fragrance-free products, this is definitely a brand that you want to try and get because it doesn't have a scent at all to it actually. And then the next thing we have here is VDL Lumi Layer Primer. That's what that one is. And this one says, so the full-size product of this is actually $32. So let me take a look and see what this one looks like here, or how it smooths out. Okay, so that's what that looks like here. And then what did it say? Okay, so it's in a different language. Sorry, it made it in a different country. So that's why I was like, wait, what? Okay, that's what that looks like. And then let's see how this smooths out. And again, not scented, but you see there, it's primer. I haven't, in the whole year I've been doing videos, I haven't actually purchased primer because I always get them and I definitely use them. So thank you for getting me that, because I always like to use primer before I put makeup on. All right, so the next thing we have here is AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. And I love getting eye creams because they last so long. You actually don't need to purchase anything if you're getting subscriptions. So this seems to be a full size. So dang, this is $28. All right, so we have a full size product already. And let me see. Now I'm not gonna open it up because it does have a safety, so I'm not gonna open it up because I do have other eye creams that I've gotten from Allure. So I don't wanna open it up because I don't know, you can let me know in the comment section below if eye creams expire. I don't wanna take a chance because I know with mascaras, the minute that you take that out of the package and you open it up, it has a 3-month expiration date. So I don't wanna do that, but cool. Can you believe we got, this is 1 fluid ounce. I need my glasses. So this is a full size product. So that's huge for that. Okay. And then we have 2 more things. So let me just show you guys this one. And if you guys watch any of my sheet masks, you guys know I love sheet masks. I just did a subscription box review for Face Story. I love sheet masks. So I have another sheet mask to add to myself, to my whole collection here. So this is from When. It says it's from Glamour Base. Well, sorry, it's from When, but it's called Glamour Base. Now this sheet mask costs $7. And if you know anything about sheet masks, that's really expensive. So this is a high bougie brand face mask there. And obviously I can't open this up because once you open it up, you gotta use it. So it says it has coconuts in it. So it's actually made from coconuts. And let me see what else. So that's it. And on the back it says, let me see if I can figure out how long. You leave this on for 30 minutes. I like to use these on Sundays because Sundays I don't do anything. I don't cook, I don't do anything. My husband is in charge of that stuff on Sundays. That's my spa days. So this is when I do my sheet masks. I just relax. So that's what I do on my days off. All right, and then the last thing we have here is from Skin Inc. So that's what this is. Let me see if I can find this here. Okay, so this one, this is $65. And this is the full size of it. I told you guys, this is like the subscription that you guys have to get because you never know what's gonna come in your box. So this one actually looks like this. This is very, very pretty packaging, very unique. So this one says, let me see. So this is, what is this? So basically, this is a daily dose of glow is what it says from Skin Inc. This is called My Daily Dose of Glow. Here it says you put a pea-sized amount directly onto your forehead, add 2 more drops for each cheek, massage in it, and then watch the pink and blue capsules burst and blend away. So this is with this serum, sorry, it's hard to tell you what they're saying because they're sharing their story, but this person says they have dry complexion and it leaves their skin bouncy and hydrated. Let me see if I can, okay, so it is open. So give me a second. Let me see if we can put a little here. Now none of the capsules came out, so I won't see that, but that's, if you can see that, it's dripping, so that's what that is. And then again, this has no scent also, which is perfect because sometimes in the summer my allergies totally kick in and scents can totally mess me up. So that's everything that actually came in this month's package. So let me do a recap so that you guys can take a look and see what all came back. Let me know in the comments first if you guys got anything of what I got this month, but let's do a recap. So first, we have the sheet mask, we have that, and then we have the Daily Dose of Glow, which was $65. Totally bugged me out. And then we have AHC, we have, this is the eye cream, another full-size product. We have the face cleanser, we have the moisturizer, and then we have the primer, and that is it. So what did you guys think of this month's Allure beauty box? Seriously, this is more than some of those subscriptions that you guys are getting right now, and you only paid $15. So I'll have all the information for Allure if you guys want to check them out just to see what it's about. Usually when you sign up for their subscription, they give you like a free bonus. So not only will you get like the normal stuff that all of us get, but you get like a free bonus. But let me know in the comments section below what you guys thought of the Allure beauty box. I love it. This one never, it hasn't failed me yet. So I'm definitely excited to get another box. All right, so with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.